nice beach here right at the cruise ship port. There's really no need to pay and go anywhere else if you don't want to. We took the Panama Canal cruise on the Island Princess from Los Angeles to Fort Lauderdale. The port stops were Puerto Vallarta and Punta Arenas, Costa Rica, Cartagena, Colombia, Panama City, Panama, with full transit from Pacific to Atlantic. Make sure you see those videos. And today we are in Huatulco, Mexico. The boat docks right in the little teeny village, and that gorgeous beach is where we're going to be spending our day. Super quick little walk. And you're right at the beach or in the little village. Several of the people who worked here said that this was their favorite stop. I think because it's so small and not congested, and they said it has great beaches. So you can take tours and things, but we're just gonna go to the really nice beach that you can walk right to. Okay, here we are. Very pretty.
And very hot.
Very hot. Here's these little tuk-tuks. You give them $1 or $2 and they'll take you to the end of the port. So the ship is right on the dock and we're gonna walk right there. And as you see, the beach is right there. Can't be any easier. This is the smallest, easiest dock we've ever done. An hour ago it was 90. It's very humid. I'm guessing it's probably a little more than 90, but there is a nice breeze blowing. Cute little town, my goodness. There's our island princess right on the beach. It's amazing that the water's even deep enough to park right here at this beach. That just blows me away. Oh, cool restaurant. Hey! So now we're just walking to this little area here right at the beach where you can walk around and probably shops and stuff like everywhere else. Hello! Hola!
Welcome, honeymooners.
Oh, thank you. Cute little shopping area. I mean, you really don't need much more than this. Basically, they sell all the same things all over the place, and restaurants and cute little paraphernalia. Lots of jewelry stores, just like everywhere else where you go and travel. Oh, I smell something that smells good coming from this place. So basically the guy just told us that the umbrellas at the beach are free if you order like drink and food, then you get to sit at the umbrella, which makes kind of sense because it's so hot and humid right now. We'll be ordering something to drink. Cute buildings and condos. Wow. You can get taxis here easily. We're guessing the prices are pretty reasonable for taxis. How pretty this is. No wonder people say this is one of their favorite stops. It's really small and so quaint and very typical of a Mexican town, like a local village. It's lovely. It's not overrun with tourists because at the moment just our cruise ship is in, and our cruise ship is a small one, but I think people are all out at tours and at the beach, which we're headed to next. Oh, there's chairs right there in the shade. Tons of hotels here. This would be a nice little beach town if you just wanted to take a week and just stay on the beach. Oh, it's a little coffee shop with this cool coffee grinder.
It's a roaster.
Oh, wow. This is right in the center of this little park square. They have this cute little building. Cafe Huatulco. A little area where they probably have some music and entertainment at some point. Oh, what a nice area for a performance. This is a really pretty town. I feel like this area is more crowded because all the restaurants are here.
Mi nombre es Hector. My name is Hector.
Hector.
This is my place.
Okay, Hector. Gotcha. Thank you.
It's all you. You must be very rich. It's all yours? Uno millonario, huh?
Well, let's get on the beach. hot sand because it's like 90 something out. Nice breeze though. What about just a table?
Yeah. Okay, Hector. Where's your place?
Okay, we're going with Hector. Okay, we just got our table on the beach. And now we don't need to rent chairs or anything because we ordered a pina colada and we can just stay here all day. And they don't even serve straws, which is great. They serve it spoon to stir. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh my God. Oh my, you can taste the cream of coconut. This is a really good pina colada. The water is so warm.
Like a bathtub.
Oh my God, it's like a bathtub, which is totally what we need. And this pina colada is delicious.
Del mundo, Oaxaca, Huatulco, bienvenidos aquí a la hermosa dama, wow, con choque de puño voy, mientras va grabando.
That was very cool. Really nice beach here, right at the cruise ship port. There's really no need to pay and go anywhere else if you don't want to. And what a great beach day. That's all we did today. We just hung out at the beach. Stayed nice and cool. I ordered a little chips and guacamole. The salsa is so hot, burning my mouth off. A basket of homemade tortillas, and then they just fry them for your chips. And they're cooked to perfection and they're so fresh. I love Mexican. We're walking back to the ship. We stayed for every last second we could here on this beautiful beach.
Yes.
What a nice place. We really liked it. The bars and restaurants are so adorable here. Really cute. And the food looks amazing. What we got was delicious. So we had a perfect day here in Huatulco. It was beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you can see our new content as it comes out. Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.